Katul. 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 So, I have with my little Bisay Hilaw with me, guys. So, hi.
I'm like very cold when I'm on my back.
Huh?
I'm very cold and then looking back.
So, this is how many times you ride the train, right?
Why
Yeah.
did you take it, Mommy?
Huh?
I can put that to you like that now.
Ayan. Are you happy? Sino na yung tatay? Nay, tatay. I come with mommy. Nag-twinning me, guys. Another train, yes. That's going to our place. It's a nice weather today, guys. Bo mga 2 taon niya dito sa katong City Hall bo, tong naida ko kayong polo dito bo.
Okay.
Ha? Are you ready to walk downtown? So we're just going downtown, guys, walking around. So
So last time when we were riding on the
The
train
next stop
and
is
see
Redwood Station.
the big head,
big head, yeah, a big head.
I went like I can see the train.
You can see the train.
No, I can see the inside of the
Because that's the breakthrough. You know, if you wanna attach to the other side, like this one, you wanna transfer to attach to the other side, then that's what they're gonna have a breakthrough.
What happens if they untouch it?
Oh, I don't know. Daddy should have applied here to drive a train. But your daddy doesn't wanna leave us. Because daddy know that I need help with you, so okay, hi guys. Yeah. So we're here in downtown.
Please put up the stampede.
Somebody parked in the wrong I think and now they are trying to get the car. OMG, be careful when you guys came in downtown. Hold on po, I will show you guys. See, have you can see those guys? Ayaw po, dito the car. Ayan. So here they are, guys. Dito the towing car. We were going on that downtown, that building. So we are here with my little Bisayang Hilaw. Thank you so much for all you guys subscribing and giving us a thumbs up and comments. So we're heading back to City Hall. Finally,
This is what I look like.
that's what you look like. Actually, this is apartment, guys. Unfortunately, I can't leave that kind of apartment. Oh my goodness. Sorry, but
A car apartment. And then it's
yeah, they have a car in the bottom, but house in the top. But my God, akong nervous ma-atake dyan.
up there.
Huh?
And get apartment all the way up there.
Yeah, I can't live like that, but it's too high for mommy. Mommy will gonna have panic.
I can.
You can? I can't. Sorry. So they have St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Church in downtown, guys. Here at First Street and ano to siya? First Street and anong layo pa yung ano? Malapit sa First Street. So St. Francis of Assisi. So another building, guys. Buwan na tanong na yung mga tao po. Diri sa tabo. So
That's so wrong.
yeah, I don't know. Dali, mananaw ta, dali.
And also they're naked.
Sorry. So that's the City Hall, one of the tallest building here in Calgary. So, punta kami dito ni Anakis. Mag-picture-picture kami.
No, 80 tall.
How many people are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ito yung Delta Marriott Hotel, guys. Maganda to dito, guys. Yeah. How many? So, this is, I don't know unsa ni siya, guys. Wa ko kabalo unsan.
They're so big.
I don't know po why they are so giant.
Oh, don't touch them.
Oh, the family of man, donated of the city of Calgary by Maxwell Cumming and the Sons, dedicated by Duke of Kent on the 8th of July 1968.
So they froze into stone?
Yeah, I think so.
So
That
they're
one.
already stone already?
Yeah. Okay, tara.
Like inside is like this.
Can you put your glasses down? Smile. Ana, oh. Okay. So we are here, guys, at the middle of downtown. So yes, this is the St. Francis of Assisi between 1st Street Southeast and what's the number of this avenue? 6th Avenue Southeast, downtown Calgary. So that's the St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Church. Can you press the button, please? Please touch. Okay, use your elbow. Use your elbow.
Are we going this way?
Yeah,
Right here?
yeah. What he said.
Way too close.
The other side. The other side. Please touch the other side. Not that one. That one. What did he say? Wait to cross. And this is the fire
Are we
headquarters, guys.
Are we,
Okay, let's go.
are we going straight?
Yeah. So we're here with my little Bisayang Hilaw. So another guys, they tow the car. Be careful when parking in downtown.
Yeah.
That's what happened. So make sure, guys, you park properly and pay. I think he parked in the zone. So it's going to go to the...
Yes, I know.
Oh my God! When he come back, he doesn't have any car no more because they tow it. So, because he parked in Nuka Park zone. So this is the historic fire hall #1 community courtyard. So historic fire hall. Yeah. Yeah. And the Royal Canadian Legion #1 branch. So we are here now. Finally, so taas na guys. So, you know ako. Taas kaayo.
Oh,
Ha? Oy, Ginoo ko Lord, nagkurog akong kwan. So this is what we waiting for. Po, I think we come in inside po. Kasi naka-gate siya po. Yeah. I don't know if we are able. Yeah, I don't know if we are able to go inside and just go around inside. Never been in City Hall. I've been here in Calgary for quite a while, but I never had a chance to come here. Look at the design, guys. Look at that. My goodness. Bo, tindog diha bo.
yeah,
Oh.
it's going to fall.
Bo. Diha ka bo, tindog. So finally, guys, we're able to have this big head. Yeah, you can go. So this is the City Hall, guys. One of the tallest building here in Calgary. Yeah. Nobel, come out here. 1, 2, smile.
Go back on the train.
I know.
That building will fall too. It's too high. Mom,
Mm-hmm.
you know, the buildings are too high.
Yeah.
The buildings are too high. It will pass down if the wind has been moving it back and
manulod mi sa City Hall guys. Mananaw ra gud mi kung say na. I never been here. So,
Can I go in first?
yeah, go. Push the door. Tuyok-tuyok. Wala ni sa mong bukid. Ay, mauda ay ni butan awa bo. Okay, mananaw daw tadik dali. Kaya na. So nanami sulod jud sa City Hall guys. First time jud nako ning nakasod dinhi.
I love it.
Yeah, I've been here in Calgary for so long but I never had a chance to come here. So this time nana jud with my daughter. She was so happy to be here and shopping around. Dagan mo rin mga shop diri buo. Ay close naman di ay bu. So mo nitong building nga nasa mong likod guys.
So I'm going down the
No, ayaw na. Dito na to. Mananaw ta dito.
And then when we're done going over
Daghan man na
there,
siya
then we
mga
go down
stores
the
there.
escalator.
Yeah.
I love the escalator.
Mm.
There's a tiny spot.
Yeah, noodle soup. Namay mga daghan dito po. Oh. May mga daghag shop din hibo. Yeah, you can remove put in your front. Make sure na di matagak. So, nindot siya diri bo. Then mga tutag concourse bo na ka ng mall dito bo. Oh.
Can you buy something there?
Huh?
Can you buy something?
That's why I asked you not to buy in Dollarama because you wanna buy something.
I promise I will only buy one.
Ala bo, cute kayong mga kuan bo oh.
I want to see your bag. I want to have one.
Sushi, ano yan siya, umbrella, Japanese things. Okay guys, so this is inside. We're not going where the mayor's always like something. But dali na, asa man siya? Oh. So, yes, we're gonna be just until here guys. Oh wow. Is that nice collection, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Japanese things.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Sa ko lang siyang gisoroy guys. So this is the City Hall bo. And then that's going to Suncor Energy.
Mom,
Yeah.
hold this.
Yeah.
What's right?
Unsa naman po na? Oh, your heart.
On
Yeah.
my forehead.
Okay, dali na. Let's go na. Go back na.
Mama,
So, on the
can we
top
go
is all
down
office
the
na guys.
escalator?
Yes, we will go to the escalator.
Whoever make there first is the winner.
Be careful ha. No running, honey. So those head pictures is one of the landmarks here in Calgary, guys. Yep. Watch out, you doing? Asa man ka? Yan. Ayan. Nagunsa ka? Nagkarate ka? Sige daw. Karate daw. My little be saying hello, guys. She was so happy inside here. Finally, naka-attendance na jud mi ini. Unsa dili ko nimo papuyon sa imong house mag-visit ra ko? Ha? Oh my God. That hurt, Mama, hurt.
I know, so we can watch them scare you.
So you're not gonna look after me then? And you don't let me stay in your home?
Sometimes you can come over to my house and live with me. Live with Daddy.
My choice is to stay with you. My choice is to stay in your house. And you're gonna look after me.
No.
Why? You're gonna change my diaper.
When you come over to my house,
You don't let me stay. You don't
and
look
when you
after
come
me.
over to my house, I will not let you to stay in my house forever because
Why?
back to Daddy's house.
Huh? I'm going back to Daddy's house and you don't let me stay in your house. But my choice is to stay with you in your house forever and ever.
No.
Why?
Then I will hire some bodyguards.
Let's go there inside. You're hired some bodyguards.
Come on, can
Dali
you
na.
fix that one?
Yeah, you're hiring some bodyguards.
Yeah.
For what? For what?
Or take out that you're not being good. Come on, can we go up there?
Yes. Hoy, ayun ni akong anak, di ko papuyon sa balay. Oh my God. So, you're gonna hire a bodyguard because...
Go on first.
Kaway ba? Unfortunately, guys, this is a kid, Canada kid, so they know. So, what should I do is just respect their wishes. So, you can't force them. That's how it is here. Look mo, what a nice place. Is that the real na siya? Real ni nga kahoy bo? How it did grow? Real ni nga kahoy?
Feel the tree.
Ay, oh yeah, tinuod yun nga kahoy.
And even there's bugs on it. Don't even start to feel.
Okay, this is how here guys. What nice. Dada mag-date ang duha diri, oh. Simple ra kaayo. So we're here guys at the Stephen Road going to Hudson Bay. Napagod din ako ha. So first time namin dalawa nito. So matagal ko na dito sa Calgary guys. Pero hindi pa talaga ako nakapunta. So ngayon, we're here together. Together we are with my little one. So siya na yung naging buddies ko to go somewhere else. Hindi ako na-stress pag kasama ko siya.
Can you go down?
Honey, this is a mall. Yeah. So we're here at the Stephen Avenue place. Don't run. We began here as a stranger, but we leave as a friend. But that's a good, nice. Yeah. Asa man ka? Sa silong naman na po. Dali, diri sa ata ka ba? Takabalog. Okay. Hudson, tarang Hudson.
Mom, Mom, we have to be at the same. Mom,
Dara mi guys.
Mom,
Wala
wala
naman.
up here.
Wala naman diri mo. Pagawas naman na siya buo.
Then how are we going to get back up there?
Ingon gani ko nga dili ka manaog no kay.
Mom,
Ah,
then how are we going to get back up there?
de. Mangita tag steps here dali. Dali na. I hear oh. Dara elevator dali. Uy, lami man day diri magsuroy-suroy, magpabugnaw.
Let's take the elevator.
Mag-take you tag elevator kay. Unsay naa diri bot? Ikaw man gud. Wala nun ta ka. Nangasaag na. Ay pagawas na jud siya. Okay, go to elevator.
No?
May sosyalan mong kay slag elevator,
So we're
guys.
at the lower. See?
Second floor?
Yeah.
This side, no?
Oh. So guys, nangawala ni guys. Kini man gud akong anakis bata. Ikaw man gud wa. Hoy, ayan na. Asa naman pug ka? Tara man dito ang mulang oh. Nice. Okay, diri ra tao bro. Ko Ginoo ko.
Come back down here, okay?
Oh, dapat dai mo pasaka ni. Hingbaba man siya. So karon, kigo.
Mom, help, help, help.
Help, help.
We have two hold hands.
Okay.
Let's not get tired.
Hold hands with your
Tired, or else
Okay.
you will fall backwards down.
yeah. Hold hands ming duha. So,
It's going that way.
hey Nobel, I need you to close your eyes ha. Don't pick up
I got
anything.
money. I get back.
Unsa. Sorry,
I
nakay?
have money.
Agoy. Magasto jud siya guys. Inyong service, si My Little Bisayan Hilaw guys. Tungod kay na siya money.
Sorry, Mom.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, because you have
Money.
money. What you are supposed to do with your money anyway? You should.
I have money in my big bank so I can buy, and the ones at home I can use.
But you are supposed to be save your money, not to spend, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's my choice.
Oh, I have choice too, not to spend your money.
Nope.
You guys hear that? So
Be
you
careful
really.
to not step on the white. The white is dangerous.
Oh, Diyos ko, guys. Guys, murag makakita na dyan dulaan dere guys. Oh.
Made it here. Something.
Agoy bo, mag-close your eyes na jud lang ka bo. Wala dyan mapalit dere bo ba? Guys, oh. Wala dyan mapalit dere bo.
Today is not my day.
Today
Did you
is
hear
your
that?
day. Huh?
Today is not my day for you.
This one here, tree house.
Tree house toys.
So what is in there anyway? What's in here, bo? No, we're not gonna that because that's not guaranteed that you can get it. You just wish your money on that.
Here.
Bahala ko.
Can I get this?
Shop around first.
Okay. This one. Ruby.
Oh?
Ruby.
Okay, ginawa ko kamahal anak bo.
Can I find something cheap Ruby toy?
Well, find
Can I
first
something cheap?
the cheaper one.
Mommy.
How much? Oh my God, bumahal. Daghang kay kag ingon na anak mo. Kinsa man na? Ha? Hala guys, oh, cute kaayo guys. Ginoo ko, my goodness. But something I like here, bo.
My lover.
Come here, bo.
Well,
Come here.
not the Pokemon. I don't want Pokemon.
Pokemon!
Now.
See? Alam, my God, gusto ko guys, mabuang ko sa kadaghan. Pero honestly, daghan na kayo siya duwaan sa balay guys. Bo, who's this? Bo, come here, Bo. Who's that and who's that?
This one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Easy, 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 easy. Easy, easy.
Mura kag dagag kwarta, Bo. Kay taka ra kag pamalit. Magtrabaho jud ka diri, Bo. Yun ay 50% Bo, oh. Buy one, get one. Buy one, get one, Bo, oh. Hala, naisikuan Bo, oh. Oh my God. Hala, gusto na ko siya, Bo. Taro nga daw, sige daw. Ilaway. Sige pa. So we are here guys at Yahoo. Taro nga. Yay, hinaya.
I got it in. I got it in.
You got it. Good job, Maidway. You want ice cream, Bo? Bo, you want ice cream? Bo, you want ice cream?
No,
Asa day ka?
over there.
Unjay over there. Tikasan jud kay ka ba? Di jud ka na ako ma. First time na ko dyan ni Anhi diri guys. Nindot man di ay. Hala po, mahal man na. Diha jud bo. Ay di man na. Dulaan bo. Daw, sulod daw bo. Sulod daw. Na-free po oh. Dali na. Dali daw. Manudot ka. Huwag kayong mga kuan guys. Paliton. Huwag kwarta diri guys. Asa, unsa may na over there na sa. Okay, tara daw eh. Ay, pang baby man na bo. Sorry lang ganit ka no.
Oh, the store.
Dagan-dagan na oh. Ay, so cute! Guys, sosyalis kay mga gamit guys. Oh, lami kaayo. me. What's this? Super cute. Aww.
Boo.
Who? Poo? Na lang, barato pa.
No.
Why? Why? Naman diri buo. Nasi Pokemon. Gwapo siya oh, pero 50% buo. Uy, ayaw na. Uy, I'm not buying anything. You're the one who likes to buy, not me. Oh, that's only. You have a cat, you have a dog, and that's it. That's the real one. Una-una na oh.
Mom,
So we're on the top.
can we go back down?
No, because I have to say something. Dali. You guys, nindot kayo diri guys. Oh, daghang kay kahoy-kahoy. Oh. Wala na ra daw tanawa
What
po.
happens if I want to go and go?
What? Are you wanna jump there? Tanaw ra gud diri bo. So nice kay siya bo. Oh. Wala dagko sa isda oh.
Still? No.
Wala na ra bo oh. Guys, nindot kay diri guys.
Maybe you put your hand in the water.
Ha? Wait, ayaw buhingin mo na. Okay, tara. Ala, nagdulaan po, oh. Tanawa, oh. Nga, tanawa. Oh. Tanawa. Hold it. Tanawa lang ko na siya. Ang tikasan kayo, oh. Hoy, boom. My God, mahadlok kung ko ini, boom. Go. Huwag ko'y kinuha ko, mahadlok ko. Dali, abo. Uy, kanindot man dahil diri guys. Oh, first time pa dyan na ako diri guys. Okay. See, naagani dulaan diri no, pagdali na. So, here guys, we are here at concourse man siguro ni Court Media. So, first time din ako na diri guys. So, gusto siya mo palit og toys pero kapalit. Nasangit mo diri ngayon sa park. Hindot kay siya diri guys. Tanawa ha. Oh, relaxing kay siya nga mall. Oh, na mga kahoy-kahoy. So, hindot kay siya oh. Mura manig baliti drive. So, oh, nindot kay siya oh. Nabuhi jud siya. Nindot kaayo. Mura guys, oh, napadya ka ng, unsa gani siya ka ng saging gani nga. Ambot, oh, tundan pa na or unsa pa na. Wala, oh. Mahulog gay kadiha ha na. Kaswimingon na na siya. Kaswimingon na akong anakis. Ayaw lagi ba kay mahulog ka?
I was going like
No, mahulog gani karon na. Tara, sulami kay siya view diri guys. First time na ako ning naa diri guys. Tara bo. Bo, na nag-piano bo. You wanna play piano? Ha?
no thanks.
Narao? Ay, kaya napadyo langgam. You know how to play piano? Nay turtle dito mo. Nay dako kang turtle dito ra. Ito ra.
Go see it.
Bo, you wanna play piano, Bo? Come on, let me hear you. Laulamig tayo dyan siya diri guys. Oy, daghang kay Pinas oh, as in. Backyard sa kong nahan. Ha? Nay turtle Bo? Wala na isda.
Big black fish.
Ay, oh. Uy, ayaw lagi ba?
The statue is that alive? That.
Yeah. Oh, kuan man na oh kanang ako kain kuan oh. Bo, you remember these nanay flowers, bo? Sus ko pastilan ginoko. Nas bukid. Para oh, nas bo. Akong mama dagan. Eh, sa farm bo. Remember in your farm? Dali na. Sinindot kayo diri guys. Oh, tanawa guys.
Can we go to the tree play area?
Yeah, would you
I
mind?
want to buy something.
Okay, would you mind to play piano with me?
No?
Why not? Why not, Shy Shy? Tanawang ka, oo, nagpapaka lang sa piano, dili na, oh. Inaatuwa dito. That's not how it's played. Go. Oh, you know how to play piano, but you don't wanna play. Why? Sige na. Okay, dito tao. Naikuha nito. Now guys, kabalo na kung asa ko magtambay during after. Kay nindot siya kay diri guys, relaxing. Kaya lang, kung magbasa ka, diri ka ka-study. So, just to kill your time, diri. Diri pa po siya init. Aircon siya, so enjoy kay ka diri. Okay. Tingnan siya. Okay, let's go.
But don't take the elevator. Only the escalator.
Experience. My God. Dali po, tanaw ra gud po. So nice.
Let's get.
Let's go. Hinamor jungle diri po. Yeah, we're gonna go this one and then go downstairs. We're gonna go past this side.
You
There's
mean
more.
the middle area?
Yeah, and then we're gonna go. We have active floor. What is an active floor?
Active. Activity floor.
Uy, wala na itubig diri buo. Wala nang gitanggal.
Go. Good.
Tanawa guys. Wala na itubig. Wala nang
Can you
gitanggal.
use the elevator?
Yes, we're gonna go. Oh, we've been there po. Nara oh. Pangbuhat og sarok. Kana oh.
Are we going down or up? Elevator.
Nang lili mi sa elevator guys, akong muscle mag-clench. May nadyo ko kanang hadlok sa kanang height, so mangurog dahil
It's
ko.
going down there.
Ha?
Going down there.
That's
It's
what
here. Elevator.
Is that look scary ha?
Escalator. What's the
Agoy
thing?
bulak sa kong inahan. Daghan kaayo.
It's coming. It's coming. It's
Tuloy
coming.
daw. Tingnan mo guys. Ay mo og kanang mga sarok o kanang kalo ba?
Mom, now we can take it.
Okay. How? Let them out first. Let them out. Aw, look the baby. She's crying. Okay, go.
Now can we go?
Yeah,
Dad.
go, go. Okay, you go to the maybe number 2 ground. Okay, let's go. Let's ginoo ko kahadlok.
Oh my God.
Is that this floor? Where are we? They have a toy here. Is that in this floor? Oh, we're gonna find it. Oi. Okay, let's go. We need to find where is those things. We have to go home because Daddy is looking for us na. Lagan kay kabuda. Balik yun na siya ato iyahang kuanan. Asa naman to be? Oh, tanawa ka ba? O chuchig asa sa mo adto? Di chig ka pa alkansi
It's
lagi.
middle floor.
Ah.
No, not one. It is middle floor.
Kaya then human anhit ka diri sa naibag ha.
First floor.
Eh?
This is the first floor now.
Butter.
Six. So upstairs is second floor.
Tanawa na siya. Oh. Kabaw na siya. Mo ni batang lagan. Kay isa ra ni Soroy, first time lang. Totoo din siya asa mo adto. Di jud ni pa alkansi. Kisilagan mo. Ha?